Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Class 1 IEO Set B of 2016. So let's begin. Word and structure knowledge. For question 1 to 4, correct choose the correct word that describes the picture. So here there is a picture of soap. Okay. In the same way, let's get back to the first question of the series. So the picture of instrument here is harmonium. Here which bird is this? So this is crane. Let's get back to the third question. What is it? So if you see, it is a house. Now let's get back to the fourth question. What is it? So it is a cart. If you add horse or bull in it, it is a block cart or horse cart. Now next question, from question number 5 to 9. The example, we have to follow the example to solve the question. Who flies the plane? It is pilot, as shown here. In the same way, what is used to catch fishes? So what is it? Tell me. It is net. Where do you find a shark? So where do you find it? In the oceans. Children's Day is celebrated in which month? 14th of November. So it is celebrated in November. And why it is celebrated, friends? Tell me. It is celebrated in the memory of the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first president. Pandit J.L. Nehru, the first prime minister of India. I go to the dash to watch movies. So where do you go to watch movies? In cinemas. We eat our food from a dash. So is the food served in a spoon or glass? No, it is served in plates. So option C will be right one here. Let's see next question from 10 to 12. It is like we have to choose the meaningful word. Like moon is shown here. So what will be the meaningful word? So it is THGIN, which is not a sensible word. In the word list, if you see, night is the sensible word which gives us a meaning. So we will go with it without wasting the time. In the same way, large is also the correct and meaningful word, and neck is also the correct and meaningful word. If you guys practice too much, then you also be able to find it without wasting any time, because if you check each and every option, then it will take a lot of time for you to solve the question in a appropriate given time by the SOF. So must do that kind of hard labor so that you will be able to find the meaningful words fast. Let's see question number 13 to 17. Choose the correct word to fill in the blank. Noun has dash. Nonu. It is the name of this kid. Has dash new bike. So what is the number of bikes he has? A, like it is the appropriate word which is filled in this dash or blank space. So let's see the 13th question. Dash movie was very interesting. So how many movies can you watch a time? A. So if it is about A, then they are talking about a specific movie. So even if the number of movie was 1, since it is a specific one, that's why we use the word the here. Ria eats dash apple daily. So what will be it? So it will be an apple, because this segment is dedicated for articles, and if you are well known to it, then articles like an is always used for vowels, like a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so keep it in mind. Do dash like hot chocolate. So what is it? Chocolate is asked from you, then the answer must have, or the question must have a u. A coat is dash the hanger. So what will be the correct word here? On the hanger. Where dash pencil box. So where is, because the pencil box is a singular noun, and with singulars is the appropriate auxiliary verb which is used, so it is. Let's see the reading section now. It is from 18 to 12 number question. It is Gitu, Mitu, Ram, Tinu. Are you aware of the characters now? Let's get back to the questions. Gitu and Mitu look dash. So what is the facial expression of Gitu and Mitu right now? It is happy. Ram and Tinu are playing dash snowballs. So playing with snowballs. There is are dash animals in the picture. So how many are they? So there is a cat, there is a dog. So the number of animals in the picture is 2. It is a picture of dash. So if you see the snowfall here shown in this picture, so it is a winter season. Now read the passage and answer the following question. One night Syam had a dream about a treasure. He saw a big box of gold coins buried near the bushes in his garden. The dream seemed so real to Syam that he thought that maybe there really was a treasure in his garden. Next morning, Syam woke up and rushed to his garden near the bushes. He began to dig a hole and kept doing. The hole got deeper. Soon Syam got tired. He sat near the hole. In the meanwhile, Syam's mother came to the garden and looking for him, she saw what Syam had done. She wanted to plant a mango spilling in the garden. The hole Syam dug was in the perfect place. She was very happy. She gave Syam 50 rupees for digging the hole, and Syam jumped with joy. He did get the treasure after all. Like, it was a funny story, but it was good. What did Syam see in his dream? So he saw that a big box of gold coins was dug inside his garden. Then the next question is, what did Syam do when he woke up in the morning? So he rushed to the garden and began to dig. What did Syam's mother want to plant? So Syam's mother want to plant a mango spelling. What is the meaning of the word treasure? So treasure means used in the first paragraph. So what is the meaning of it? So it is means gold. In Hindi it is also known as khajana. A spoken and written expression. So it is from 26 to 30 number question. Let's see. Rohan dash. So it is a conversational section in which you have to answer the question using your presence of mind. Rohan dash, I sing with you. So may I? Rohan is asking here. Next question. John dash, this your pet? So yes, it is. So here John is asking. So is this your pet? It is the correct option here. Teacher, sit down, everyone. So what will be it? The word. So the word is please sit down. Khushi, mother, dash is my gift. So the Khushi is asking from mother, so it will be what is my gift, because they both have the gift in front of their eyes. So Khushi must be asking about the gift. Joy, Ria, dash you ready? Read me a story. So here Joy is asking Ria to read a story for him. So what will be the correct word here? Can. Teacher, children dash at the painting. So what the teacher want students to look at the painting. So option C will be right here. Now next come to the achiever section. Choose the correct answer. What do you not find in a desert? So igloo. Igloo is not found in a desert. It is a cold weather house. Choose the action word given to the action word in the given sentence. Mohan blows the candle. So what will be it? Like what action Mohan is doing is characterized by the word blow. Choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. The train dash at 9 o'clock every morning. So what will be it? So the train leaves. Choose the opposite word of the given. Doubt. So doubt is like you are not concerned or certain about something. So the correct word is believe, because you only believe when you are certain. Choose the correct option to complete the dialogue. Priya, I ate fruit salad. So here the word ate represents the past form of verb. So we will go with yesterday. It was the last question, friends, and we did it successfully. If you guys want to join our paid course in which we include the efficient study of tense and articles, which is a major section in this IEO examination, then please mention in the comment section. And if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.